Hey, so if your merge tags are not working in Mailchimp, yeah, like you're seeing blank spaces, broken personalization, or tags showing as plain text, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, make sure your merge tags are spelled correctly. I mean, even a small typo will break them completely. Next, yeah, Mailchimp merge tags must use the correct format like pipe FNAME pipe or pipe EMAIL pipe. I mean, missing symbols will stop them from working. Now, check your audience list. I mean, if the contact field is empty, the merge tag will show blank. Yeah, make sure you're using the correct audience. I mean, merge tags only work if the data exists in that list. Now, test your email in preview mode. I mean, this helps confirm if merge tags are pulling real data. Yeah, sometimes editing in plain text can break formatting. Use the visual editor when possible. Now, not all merge tags work in every campaign type. I mean, make sure your tag is supported for that email type. Yeah, extra spaces or hidden characters can break merge tags. Clean your text carefully. If nothing works, send a test email to yourself. I mean, this helps confirm if personalization is working properly. So, yeah, that's how you fix Mailchimp merge tags not working. Most of the time, it's formatting issues, missing data,